You are a YouTuber? You know me?
You say my eyes look Chinese?
Yeah, like slanty.
Oh, so do yours?
Yeah.
And his. We're both Chinese brothers. Been a messy one. I lost my phone. It was a fucked up night. So anyway, I need to find the guy I was calling Monkey Magic, and see if he's got the rest of my bum belt thing that I ripped in half. Nice curries here though. I can't say that. Yeah. Fortunately, I was so tired when I was eating my curry earlier. I don't remember much about it. From what Dan's saying. Where's it that way, isn't it? Right, so basically, what was going on in the curry house this morning, earlier or whatever?
You poured water on your plate and then tried to eat the fork with another fork.
But that's the excitement of today.
An empty plate.
An empty plate with water on it, and I'm trying to eat a fork with a fork. I don't remember that, but sounds like I was enjoying myself. Oh my god. Let's get some, let's start again. Let's get more food. Let's start without too much alcohol damage. Hopefully be alright. Right, need to get my shit together. Losing everything does not go well. Also, we were sat outside at 7-Eleven, right? The kebabs admittedly are amazing, but I can't go around buying fucking beer outside of a 7-Eleven for $5 2 beers inside, $1 2 beers. What am I doing, man? Get your shit together, Skiller. Here we go. Right, had a kebab. Starting to feel alive again. Right, here we are again. Dan's trying to get some big pussy. And this camera's trying to save me. Right, so trying to find the poor bastard that had to suffer with hours and hours of me last night and this morning. I'm sure he's probably asleep. I'm good, man. He's probably asleep or dead, I don't know. I'm good, man. Too made up.
Hello, you again?
I'm good, man, thank you.
Yesterday you smiled with the tuk-tuk. I know you yesterday, yeah.
How are you, man?
I'm okay. What do you want to do now, mate? You want to check it out somewhere?
I need to find someone because I lost my bag last night.
Oh, you lost your bag with them?
This guy's got a little memory card in it.
Yeah, you
I need to find that tuk-tuk man.
Yeah, you remove face.
Hey, drunk one eye.
Yeah.
I'm okay though, man.
If you want good shit, come to me, man.
Oh, I will. I'll keep an eye out for you. I'm okay right now though. I've got to find him first.
Okay, find him first and come to me. Open mind.
Open mind.
Yeah. See you later.
You're a legend. You're a legend.
Yeah, open mind. Yeah.
Open mind, brothers. Stay safe. No, you good? I'm good, man.
What did you say last night?
Last night, I didn't even know where that guy last night, I swear that. He's just hustling. That's all you got to say. Oh, hey, last night. And you're like, oh, what? You just look around and go like, yeah, what about last night? You weren't in it, you cunt. But you want massage? Massage?
Did you find a guy, no?
Nah, still looking, bro.
Okay, still looking. I come ready to turn to me.
Yeah, we'll be here all night. Open mind is back. He's actually alright though. He's not really pestering us, is he?
No. Before I play Porsche, go to that bar where they patch my head up.
Alright, no thank you mate, no boom boom for me. You want boom boom? Yeah. You want boom boom? Mad people. thank you, mate. No, I'm looking for something. Someone. I need to find someone, that's good.
You want to get high tonight?
No, he might, I don't.
No, stop saying that.
Yeah, you like happy. I have you everything.
No, we need to just find a bar, a game of pool.
Oh, hey, I know.
I bet you do.
Good bar.
Of course you do.
Pattaya bar. So my friend. Oh, yeah. Money bar.
No, ladies, eh?
Yeah, bar 3.
I think I was.
Bar.
Where was the last night I was in?
You see last time?
Yeah, 2 nights now. Just. Oh. Stay safe, brother.
Okay, go.
Yeah, we're just finding a pool table and
Yeah, I
yeah, well, there's a snooker club there, look. Taking us to a pool club, haven't they? Monkey, where are you?
Yeah.
I don't need tuk-tuk, mate, I'm good. I'm good.
We're
Not far. 3 minutes from here.
Nah.
We need to find somebody. No, it's fine. No.
Well done, Daniel, son, we're getting there.
Hello, brother.
I'm good, thank you, mate. Nice top, though.
Some pizza.
No, I'm good. Weird person.
Fuck off, go around the neck and lift him up.
Yeah.
Cambodia.
Oh dear, so.
No, I'm good. If you was a true Cambodian, you'd leave me alone. I'm good. No. Do you want a new face?
Okay.
No, thank you. You want cocaine? You want ladyboy?
Say hello with open mind.
How are you, open mind?
I'm open. So you want to do shit now?
Not yet. I'm still trying to find someone. He's got my memory card.
And you lost memory card, but what else you lost?
Okay, so we're looking for my man, the crazy monkey man. Now, we've got 2 friends here, not trying to sell us anything, they're actually trying to help us, so that makes a change. But absolute madness. Cambodia. Oh mate, how did I end up in this fucking place? Would I come again? Yeah. But I don't know. I would come again, but Jesus Christ. There's a few bars I can't go into now. They get you so fucking drunk you black out and you don't know what you did. And I know what I'm like. I can be the friendliest man on earth, but stuff I don't remember, apparently I'm not. And this money over here is so confusing that you think they're mugging you off. You start calling them cunts, and then you find out like, it's only 25p or something. So it looks like we're going to wait till about 2 or 3 in the morning. See if I can find my friend. See if I can find the SD card for the last week. Oh shit, if I do, I do. If I don't, I don't. Okay, this is my new friend. Hello. Bless her. Hey, Macarena. Oh yeah. Alright then. Still cruising, still alive. If you're seeing this, I didn't lose this memory card. What have you found? Going through the... No, you're alright.
No, the bloke over there now.
Oh, I thought you suggested. No, thank you, mate. So you can't look at bin divers, mate, back in a tuk-tuk. Right. Where is Chamba? Where the ladies are too pushy. Might be down this one, actually. No, I don't remember the space there. Look. That is a fucking crazy building. Dan's got a new friend. Lady massage. You want to Cocaine? Right, fuck all down there, I'm not going down the dark pit. I really want to try a proper Cambodian coffee. Yeah, that's a beast. Aranga. After eating them kebabs, I'm thinking I'm going to invest in a moped with a trailer and a kebab thing on it. Start selling Asian kebabs, because English kebabs are rubbish.
Come on.
Alright, we're with a Rasta man.
A Rasta man took
Hell yeah, if you're in Siem Reap, hook up with this man, he's a good man. He'll get you high.
Vietnamese?
Yeah, Vietnamese family.
Yeah.
I'm just an English cunt.
That's why your eyes like a
Chinese. Bit Chinese.
No, he's got
What are you?
2 sisters and a brother.
You're saying my eyes look Chinese?
Yeah, like slanty.
Oh, so do yours?
Yeah.
And his. We're both Chinese brothers.
Some people when I stoned and drunk, they say me I'm from Japan.
Those Japanese ladies.
Yeah. I never get one.
No, me
They
neither.
scare me.
Yeah, it's scary.
Yeah, like we have this shit. We never got Asian girl.
Yeah, well,
Real.
yeah, easy in Pattaya, Thailand. Easy.
Not Cambodia. Cambodia unique.
Yeah, different. Don't me filming out. Take me with it.
Take me to police. YouTube. Because I sell a bit of weed, bro.
What's prison like in Cambodia? Prison. Come on.
Herbal. Sleep on the floor. Bar shit.
Bad, mate, bad.
Bad.
Well, I'm glad you're out and I'm glad you're okay. Good man, you find this man. Find this man, have a beer with him. Charles Bar. Come to Charles Bar. It's all good, mate. Taking a piss, gotta be honest. If you come to Cambodia and you play pool, you're gonna fucking lose, mate. You're gonna lose. You're gonna lose against some. Everyone is 22 apparently, okay? They're not, but you're gonna lose pool against them. They're probably about 18, to be honest, but you're losing against them. So sort your pool game out, you're shit.
Hello.
Hello, last night at Siem Reap. I would definitely come back here. I cannot tell you why. I'll tell you what, everyone's fucked. Everyone is fucked.
3 o'clock in the morning.
Wait. I gotta find Monkey, mate. Alright? Oh yeah. Cambodia. Wait. Oh yeah. I must try and find money. What
That's all I had. That's like 50p.
I don't know.
50p in bar.
I gave him about 1,000 baht. Wait, no,
Right, down there, listen.
here and there. I gave him about, I think it was 10,000.
He proper checked my wallet. There's nothing in it. They proper checked it.
Cambodia, bro. Cambodia. The money is so fucked up because you don't know what you're doing. It's like, how we done? That lady boy's got no work today. No one wants to fuck.
Can't think why.
No one wants to fuck that. That's moody, mate. I think I'll give that kid, right. I thought I was being really generous, but I think I gave that little about 25 cents. Oh mate, you think you're doing really nice. I've given her, like, she can fuck off, mate. Honestly, I'm giving her at least £2 now. That's out my range. I'm joking, but like, it does pull. A bloke, as usual.
Paul's chatting ladyboys up. It's currently 3:10 in the morning.
Okay, so apparently this guy knows damn monkey, and he's gonna get $5. Gonna get me 2 monkey.
Have you got money on this stuff?
Not much. I don't give a fuck. What are you gonna do? Fight us? What are you gonna kill us?
No, it's going on.
No.
You want to talk about with them or for what one?
I need that, right? I need him.
Oh, you want to deal him?
He has something of mine.
Oh, take
It's all good though, yeah? All good. He's my friend. He is my friend.
Okay, this is your best friend?
Yeah, he's my best friend.
I know him.
He's your best friend
Maybe
too.
I'll find the guy.
Yeah, please,
He's my
mate.
best driver, you know.
Thank you.
Yeah, get pay now. I got to find him.
Where?
Yeah, pay now.
Show me him. You show me him first. Otherwise, you're wasting your time and your petrol. You look like a bitch. Right, we've just gone round the block. We've just gone round the block.
Yep.
What a wanker, mate.
No.
Yeah, we're going to find down.
The black guy, you know.
Well, he's brown, not black.
I know them, right?
Yeah, no.
Don't worry about you.
Brown, no, don't be racist.
I know them. Don't worry about you.
We need to find out.
Rather than come back there again, maybe I go for the friend.
You find him, I pay you. It's all good. We head to his house. Bomb him.
You give it up.
Yeah, no, we're good, bro.
He's nice, very nice guy, but
Okay, right, so quite enjoying this little tuk-tuk ride anyway. I love the hustle. What you say? Not charm again. Is that charm?
No. No, it's not good.
hey, come on, your friend here, come on, hey, come on.
Good.
Your friend here, come on.
That's not him. That's not monkey, mate. That's not him. That's not him.
Him.
No, that's not him.
Him last night, he had a hat, you know.
There's something like that. He's on
Come on, I got him.
I don't think that's him.
You know him, I know him.
Oh, he knows not.
Him.
That's what he's saying, yeah.
Hell yeah. So nice, done, bro. Hello, doggy.
Hello, doggy. Hello, another doggy.
We're paying money to find someone he's not going to find, but I'll tell you what, a little rider, it's not even a tuk-tuk, it's a Cambodian. Well, basically we've gone round in a circle about 3 times. It's still so worth it though, isn't it? Give them money, their skin is funny as hell. But if we can find it down, monkey, then we might be okay. This poor lad, he's looking desperately. He's just talking bollocks, mate. Who cares though? So, still funny. You have to admire him. Poor lad. You're drunk, mate. You're a drunk Devo. I'm gonna be down with the clouds to the bed and the ground.
Hello, doggies.
Hello, doggy.
Loads of doggies.
Sorry, Hashtag. Hello, how you doing? Cambodia, hell yeah. Mate. Not a normal day. What are you saying? What are you saying, brother? You all good? What?
I know them for the street right now. Before I'm kid. Hello, come on, brother. And then he know. I'm thinking he know your face. Just
You know someone that knows him.
I know him.
I need to find him. That's what I need.
Okay.
Okay. So,
Listen to me right now.
He's our friend. He's our friend. It's just he's...
One and a friend.
No, there's no trouble with matey. He's our friend.
he's our friend, but I have
just-
no phone. I lost my phone.
Really?
Yeah.
I lost my phone. He's my friend.
Listen to me here. Yesterday have two guys, right?
Yeah.
Two guys. But one took over and one small guy, right? Yesterday. Only him.
I don't know. It wasn't me. I wasn't there. It's him.
Oh.
But basically, he gave him.
You like the
his...
phone, right?
Hang on.
No, he lost his phone in Thailand. Not here.
It's a card.
But it's a memory card.
SD
Basically,
card.
he gave him his bag
Yeah.
and forgot the memory card was in it.
I know, yeah.
So
You got look, lady. Come on, look, lady.
no, I've got.
You're just trying to scam us to get prostitutes, aren't you?
Come on, look, please.
Mate, I love the hustle, but
Come
like,
on, you don't want to come back.
no, they won't come back with us. Like, we're too old and ugly.
Young lady, come on.
No,
she's-
we got
she's
to
very,
get back
very-
to. We got to find matey and get back to our hotel.
We need
Where
to
stay,
find-
brother? Where stay, guy?
We need to find that bloke.
Right now, I know.
Crown and Spa. That's where we stay.
The dam, the before the Soksan Street, I get the big sound from my motorbike, and then stop, brother. I know them, and then can you stop, and then I turn back. Turn back. You where she
Right.
drive motorbike.
Yeah, I
very
saw
fast.
it. I saw her following
Okay,
him.
go now. Follow again the pub street and the bar.
I love your hustle.
Yeah.
Business is business.
Okay.
I get you.
Let's go now.
But
Yeah.
I need to find Dan, yeah?
Okay. Yeah.
I need to find him. I would quite like a prostitute, but I'm too old.
Go now.
No, I wouldn't let it. I mean,
Yeah, don't say that because you don't understand.
no, but look, though. Yes, they are.
Just go.
Just go, bro. Just
Go.
go. We need to find him. What are you doing with that? Oh, mate, the hustle is real here.
The friend that monkey, and then he called, and then I think
Okay.
he come.
Thank
Yeah.
you. Thank you, my friend.
And then I find that SD card because
Mate.
I know the place, but he got a
That's where I like in the bike, yeah.
And you get- oh,
yeah, I know.
wallet I didn't want because
Too
I
much,
lost my phone.
too much drink, mate.
Yeah.
Too much drink. And then the little doggy, and we fed the doggy, and then
You know, like it's when I'm trying this one, like I do like this. When you dry.
oh yeah,
I it's called it slow down, and
Oh shit! You should have filmed that. Mate, you should have filmed that, bro.
Oh my god.
That was comedy gold. You okay, bro?
Oh,
Anyway, this is my brother. These are my brothers. Welcome to Cambodia. You okay, bro?
can you bring me to hospital?
Glasses on.
On a whisk, can you whisk slag?
On a tuk-tuk wing mirror.
Ah,
Done.
he find you. He find you, so find you. Yeah. Why you?
I did it myself.
តែមិនទៅជាមួយបងមួយល្មមហើយនឹងយ៉ានពីរនាក់ប៉ុន្តែ
I did it myself like you did yourself then.
ចូលយ៉ានទៅជាមួយដែរដល់ភ្ញៀវនេះយកទៅអូក៏ស្គាល់គ្នាហ្នឹងហើយស្គាល់នេះទៅ
You okay, though, right?
ពេលទៅទៅរៀនបើកល្មមរៀនផ្លូវគិតតែរៀនគាត់ឲ្យយ៉ានអ្នកថតអញ្ចឹងទៅពូហ្នឹងអីទេទៅពូទុនហ្នឹងហើយប្រកាច់ប្រកាន់ពេញផោទៅទុន
រឹងរឹងមកបើកចូលផុកគាត់មានចេះកាច់ណា
ស្នាឲ្យចូល
What time did you sleep?
រះពេញព្រៃហ្នឹងគាត់មករាយកមកយក
I didn't. I went to sleep and then yeah, I woke.
sleep now right
No, still go.
លេខ4លេខ3អត់សំខាន់ហើយ
Warrior.
ហើយទៅហើយ
Warrior, psychopath,
ជប់វិញណា
loco.
ស្អែកខ្ញុំ
ទៅ
ភៀវហៅភៀវជីកមកណាក៏ជីកទៅ
កុំ
ជីកមក
កុំបារម្ភថាចេះចុះទៅចាំនិយាយថាចេះតរោទៅចេះតរោហើយចាំឲ្យគេមកមកជួបខ្ញុំប្រាប់ថាភ្ញៀវក្ររោទេយល់អត់ស្រកឯងឆ្ងល់ទេ
Father I'm going to find your best
អូខេទៅចាំខ្ញុំនិយាយ
before I come here you know he
ទៅ
You do that, mate. There's a reward for that card. If we get a card, I'll pay a reward. And you have to.
You
remember.
say pay but I mean it's your can you keep it in your wallet or in your pocket
No, I will
Yeah,
try. This
don't
time,
worry.
no, this time. Yeah, not so drunk. Bit too
You got a
drunk.
light, Paul?
Yesterday, too drunk. So I was mad. I was loco, crazy. I was too crazy.
you say
I know, and I'm glad I saw you.
Cheers.
Say sorry. Honestly, sorry.
Thank you.
I needed to say that. That makes my world better. Because I know what you're thinking. What the fuck was that? You open all night then? 24 hours a day.
ខ្ញុំយល់
You do 24 hours?
តែសារភ្ញៀវនេះគាត់ចង់រក SD card ទៀត
That was a good jet, I like that.
ទេយល់ហើយខ្ញុំយល់ពីពាក្យឯងបើចាំញ៉ៃតនេះ
Yeah,
ដោយ
that's
សារ
the
ថ្ងៃនេះ
pork I stored.
មករក
That's the pork I stored.
Oh.
So they gave me back to Dan, and then I don't know what happened. I felt like, I don't know.
you know
He doesn't know nothing.
you know like he say like I want to done
Yeah, I need
I
to
don't
see
know like
Dan.
it's done what is done
I
thing
need-
you know right
Well, we went back to the hotel. We got separate rooms. He's got his room, I've got my room. I went to my room, he went to his, but then he went out again. I slept all night.
oh
I slept for hours.
Yeah, you were drunk.
I
though,
woke
you're
up
like,
at I woke up at 11.
you find him
No, he was drunk. He was like,
We went back to the hotel. I went to sleep, but he went back out
I
again.
know that I know what you mean
So I slept till 11 o'clock in the morning. I slept for hours and hours. Well, he went out. I don't know.
really because I don't know like it's him like it's where you want to go I'm gonna drink or I want to eat something also and I want to done I don't know the done you know it done thing we find for the done thing but
no, not dancing.
I don't know like it's done it's your friend
yes
Danielson. Yes, Danielson.
when you get us
His name Danielson.
yeah
Cambodia ជុលមួយ
Cheers, brothers.
ជុលមួយ
Thank you.
Thank you.
you are a YouTuber you know me
Yes.
Cambodia
You find him. You got a link. Got a card.
Yeah.
Right, let's get a card. Wait.
I can find for you I
Do
can
it, man. I will bring people here. Honestly, I owe you.
really
I owe you, man.
really
Yes, mate. Yes.
how much you pay
We been how much a pint?
$1 million
ឈ្មោះទៀត
ចុះមើលអាចច្រឡំឈ្មោះនេះបានរោមួយថ្ងៃអាកន្លែងរឿងនោះ
ដាន់
អូខេខ្ញុំថា
រំអូ
That it does got a bite.
I did have a
ដាន់
bite.
ដាន់ឲ្យរោអាកន្លែងដាន់អីនេះជិះរោតាកន្លែងរឿងក្រៅអូខេ
Yeah, tell him that.
My friend
Dan, you should drive a tuk-tuk.
my friend ដាន់
Yes, mate. Your
អាយុ
friend.
នេះនឹងរោពួកខ្ញុំទៀតមែនជិះរោមែនជិះរោពួកខ្ញុំមែនមែនអូយ៉ា
អូខេ no yeah
Hayabusa.
Mate, I looked at the footage. You know when I drive the bike?
You know this song? Yesterday.
Whoa!
It's rock.
Heavy metal, mate.
And rock, I know. You're
Yeah, but I can make them now. I don't even know. Wait, mate. Cheers, mate. Dan, go on.
Sorry.
Skull, live forever. Cambodia. Best people you can meet. Even after you've upset them.
Trong tận đau lên.
Ooh.